today's video, I'm going to share with you the 5 key investing tips to help you start out as a new investor. Now, these tips actually didn't come from me. They came from the Securities and Exchange Commission Chairman Clayton. With every new administration comes with it a new round of musical chairs with the change of the guards at the SEC. Last week marks the final week at the SEC for the chairman. Clayton had written a series of handwritten notes to investors that I'm actually not sure how many people know about. So in today's video, I'm going to go over his 5 core investing tips, put my own spin on them, and then I will share with you his notes toward the end of the video. Tip number 1 is take the free money in your 401k. Now, I understand that there are a few celebrity YouTubers out there who have made it their mission to spread the word that the 401k is dead. This YouTuber respectfully disagrees, but I won't get into it in this video. If you have an employer that offers matching in the retirement plan, make sure that you fund the account to take advantage of the full matching. It's a concept of paying yourself first, and it's an immediate 100% return on your investment. Tip number 2 is create a plan to pay off high-rate debt. Notice that I put this step behind taking free money. One of the first steps toward financial freedom is becoming solvent, and that means no high-interest credit card debt. Now, I understand that sometimes that makes sense, but just know that you're never going to get ahead paying someone 18% when the interest at your bank account is making you less than 1%, and the stock market in general earns you between 6 and 8%. So it's important to come up with a payment plan and get your credit under control. Tip number 3 is start early and harness the power of compound interest. Einstein is quoted to have said, "Compound interest is the 8th wonder of the world. He who understands it, earns it. He who doesn't, pays it." Let me know in the comments if you would like for me to do a deeper dive on compound interest in future videos. The day that you understand compound interest, it will completely change your life and you will never handle money the same way ever again. Tip number 4 is diversify your portfolio. This is the financial concept of don't put all your eggs in one basket. Diversifying reduces your risks. Nowadays, it's so cheap to own index funds and ETFs, making it so easy to diversify. If you're currently picking individual stocks, still diversify. Guys, it's completely hubris to believe that you could possibly know everything about a company from reading public filings. Tip number 5 is keep your fees and expenses low. You'd be surprised, but this one is actually hard for me to talk about. Fees and expenses are considered drag in your portfolio. There are fees that are disclosed to you, and then there are hidden fees. I believe there are apps out there that can scan for hidden fees. I've just chosen to take a leap of faith when it comes to fees, kind of like my electricity bill. Are you ever really going to know that what you're charged in your electric bill is actually what you use for the month? My name is Valerie. I post videos related to accounting, finance, and all things financial literacy. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. Your questions then become my inspiration for future videos. Thank you very much for watching until the end. If you found some value out of this video, please give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye now.